Okay, here's a quick recording on how to link between cells in Excel. So as you can see by my somewhat silly little example here, what I want to do is have whatever I type here appear here, and here, and here. So what I'm going to do is just go into the cell or the box here where I want the final thing to appear. So I'm not going to go into where I'm going to type one. I'm going to go into here, and all I'm going to do is type equals and then click on the one that I want it to come from and hit enter. You'll see it says 0 because nothing's there. Now if I type Paul, Paul comes up there. If I type baseball, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever I type in this box is going to come up here. There's no limit to how many times you do this too. I could say equals that there. Now it's coming up there too. Equals that one right there, 2. So that is really it. If you wanted to get a little more advanced with this, you could do something like this. So this is an extra little level to this. So just decided last minute that I'd throw this in here. So what if I wanted to be able to type first name here, last name in this box, and have it combine it into one? I can do that. So if it was Paul, all right, let's go throw in an extra level of what to do here too. So I'm going to do this twice. Once I'm going to put in just a full name, and then once I'm going to do it again, last name first. So what I'll do here is do equals, just like I did before, that cell. Now I'm going to do the ampersand, the little and symbol. Quotation meaning put exactly what I write here, and I'm going to put a space, end my quotation, and symbol, B7. So now it's putting the contents of B4, and then a space, and then the contents of B7. So hit enter, there it is. So now it'll just combine that into one thing. If I wanted to do last name first, I would just do equals, last name, the and symbol, quotations, comma space, because I want that comma to be in there, and that one. Now it'll come in there. So that's all you have to do if you want to do it, get a little bit trickier with it. If you notice when I was typing this, it's kind of small to see now that I put the and symbol. You can see it here. I put the and symbol and then I put a space. You really don't have to do that. I just did that because it makes it a little bit easier for me to read it. Other thing to remember with that is if I just said, you can see it here, if I just said B4 and B7, it's going to do exactly that without the space in there. So that is some information on linking between cells.